Hi, Onni. We got something in the mail. Huh? For you. For all of us. This is an air filter. Now, why is an air filter important if you own birds? It is vital if you own birds for your health. Birds are very dusty. We're going to show you how much so if you have a cockatoo or cockatiel. We have about a total of 4 in the house, and it's still not quite doing the job. So, a representative from this company offered us to try this air filter. So that's what we're doing. Directions. For a size reference, that is a rabbit air filter. I highly recommend those because they do a good job for how quiet they are. That's a size reference, so I'm so excited because we need 2 big ones, and I'll show you why in a minute. The filters. Okay, it's got a 3 filter filtration system. You excited? What is it? What is it? What is that? Wow. You notice we're not even reading the directions. That's bad. Do not do this at home. We'll put it together and then look at the instructions, right? How easy was that? Okay, let's show them the rabbit air filter. We have not. When's the last time we cleaned that? Do you think? 3 weeks ago?
About 3.
About 3.
When I was on vacation.
Oh. Well, then it's 2.
Yeah, I did it right.
I don't know how dirty it is. It's been 2 weeks. And the red light's on. Oh, jeez. That's like just 2 weeks. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a cockatoo. Just so you can see, it's still dusty, no matter how much you dust. This is how bad it is. Gosh. Okay, so now we will have 2 good ones. One by the cockatiel and one for out here. And we're going to try this out and we'll let you know how it works. I'm really excited. It's white. Now I'm going to show you the other 2 filters and how dirty they get. This is the German Guardian. And I clean this thing every time I vacuum almost. People think cockatiels aren't that much maintenance. Check that out. That's supposed to be black. Jet black. Let's look at the other one. And I'm extra careful with his. So, and it's still horrible. Horrible. That's supposed to be black. These are German Guardians. They're typically good.
That's what it's supposed to be. That's how dirty it is. That's on.
I don't hear it. What?
That's on. You can't hear it.
Here's another air filter that didn't work out. No, this thing was strong enough. It was awesome. The problem, it is loud as heck. It also creates hurricane winds in your house. No, I'm kidding. Seriously, it is just too loud. So I cannot emphasize, I'm so glad to be able to make this video. I cannot begin to emphasize how important this is. Bird dander and dust over the years can really, they can hurt you. They can clog up your electronics, and that's not good either. Birds also, it helps them stay healthy. And you never know what's going to happen, okay? Because after we got Onni, I developed COPD. And it's getting bad. So it's not his fault. I already had it. It's degenerative. So we have all these air filters, and I would not be able to keep him if I didn't have all this. Yup. Are you talking, big boy? Come here. It's not scary. Always look at it. It's not scary. It takes birds a long time to get used to things sometimes. Huh? What is it? Yeah, it's going to take him a while to get used to that. Cockatoos in particular are scaredy cats. Yes, you are. Takes you a long time to get used to anything usually. And then you end up loving it. What are you doing? You're a little confused, aren't you? No. Leave the camera alone.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah? You just going to chill and relax? Well, that's a nice change. That's a nice change. Mm-hmm. Why are you so quiet today?
Just exhausted from working.
Exhausted from working? Aww. Ready to feed Honeybee?
Yep.
I'll show you Scotty's snake. Here's Scotty's ball python. It's a special morph. Hello. Hello. They're called ball pythons because they're so shy. They ball up in a defensive thing. Look at that. Oh, Honeybee. Yeah. They can be notoriously bad picky eaters. Yeah. Nice. Hey, sea bass, what are you doing in there? Huh? Getting some UVB? All right. Marshmallow. There she is. Crested geckos. Or eyelash gecko lizards are nocturnal. At night she fires up yellow. Nights, put you back to bed. Nights. Who do we have left? Oh my goodness. Blossom, the axolotl. Peekaboo axel. They're like little puppies and watch you. Scotty's quiet because he still has to work. He's feeding his animals and now he's getting ready for one of these conference call things that everybody has to do during the pandemic. What do you think, Onni? Are you a Zoom kind of guy or a Skype kind of guy? FaceTime? Verizon? There's Buddy. Huh?
Hello.
What's your pleasure?
I like you too. Hello, pretty bird.
Sunny! Sunny! Hi, Sunny! Hi.
Y'all go to McDonald's?
Hi. Well, what are you doing? Such a pretty bird. Huh? Okay. Gosh, I'm excited. Like I said, with my COPD increasing, we needed this vitally. Needed this. and I had been looking for one and trying to decide what to get, and I kept ending up at the same conclusion: nothing's worth getting unless it's a really good one. In our case, and we couldn't afford a really good one. I didn't know about this company till they contacted me, though, and it is affordable. Oh, in case you guys, I want to show you this TV. This is called Parrot TV. You gotta look that up because I'll tell you why. It's a live feed, ongoing bird babysitter. 24 hours 7. Oh, it's a feed that keeps going. They have different ones that are recorded, but they last hours and they have music on them. This one has rain and bird sounds. And I gotta still read what this thing does. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Oh, I needed this.
It's got a timer on it, so you can run it for how many hours you need it to run. It's got auto mode, eco mode, and turbo.
Turbo.
Sucking some air.
Turbo.
Turbo.
Oh my goodness. Woo!
Now it's on auto.
Thank you. Thank you for, how do you pronounce that, Scott? Do you know the? Okaysou? Okaysou? Okaysou?
Oh.
Huh?
Casa?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So.
I know, I'm looking to see how to spell it. Okaysou. It's awesome.
Okay, so you?
Okay, so you. What?
Okay, so you. Okay, so you.
Okaysou. What do you think, Onni? What's it say? Oh. Okaysou.
Okaysou?
Okaysou.
Okaysou. Say thank you, buddy.
Say thank you so much.
Say thank you so much, buddy, and we appreciate everything. And yes, we do. Huh? Even though your daddy looks grumpy sometimes for how much he works and all, but he's not really grouchy. No, he's just tired from work. I know, I love you too. I love you, buddy.
About me.
Bird first.
Scotty.
Mommy second.
Where's my kisses? Oh, okay.
Now it's a bird, your turn. Give mommy a
Kiss
kiss.
or not?
Give mommy a kiss.
He's like, psych. Can I steal a kiss from Daddy? No? Is that your daddy? Is that your daddy? Where are you off to? What? Where are you off to? Well, he doesn't want me near you. I can feel he's giving me like a little warning.
Upside down. What the buddy? You gonna be good for everybody? Huh? Is it gonna be good, little buddy? Huh? You gonna say thank you? Say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Hello?